Inclusive meetings can be a challenge if you're in a large space, especially if you're in a video meeting. Poly Studio Large Room Kit is specifically designed to overcome the challenges associated to large rooms, so everyone is represented and has the same personal meeting experience whether they are in the room or remote. Poly Studio E70 camera included in the kit delivers crystal clear video with dual lenses transitioning undetected between narrow and wide lens and making sure everyone is shown in sharp details regardless of how far you sit from the camera. PolyDirector AI technology automatically creates unparalleled video experience with pinpoint accurate speaker framing and quick group framing so you can just focus on the meeting. For audio device, add tabletop speakerphone such as PolyTrio C60 or PolySync 60 for medium to large room, or go with Microsoft Teams certified DSPs with ceiling microphones for more flexible room layouts. To learn more about Poly Studio Large Room Kit for Microsoft Teams rooms, visit poly.com.